Okay, basically, how you harness all this, we know the Tesla coil really works for a freaking fact, okay? And what you're doing by electrifying it and tapping into it with the magnetics and being able to control it with mercury, and this all turns into a bigger type of Tesla coil, anyways, okay? But because now you're able to control the different light spectrums, okay, that's going on, you're able to tap into all of that. They're all a frequency of light, magnetism, electricity, sound, all of it. They're all a frequency. And so when you find out they all have a sound, all of those make an actual sound, a frequency, low or high. Okay, you can tap into those and harness all of those. So the whole universe is spins. We know this. And it's got like, it's made just the same way. That's the shape of it. And so they're all three-dimensional octagon cubes, okay, and they're all interlinked and connected together, and they have north and south magnetic poles, which means they're negative and positives. They have charges to them, and the way it works from the spin creates electricity, okay, and because it's flowing through these poles, it creates a light, and because the shape of it, it creates a rainbow, gives you all the prisms and all the colors, okay, and you're able to harness that stuff by being able to introduce it by using the same effect of how it works. Spin, sound, light. When you're able to tap into all of that, you can instantaneously go anywhere because you become a gravity wave. That's why you see gravity waves, because they're interlinked. They're three-dimensional to nine-dimensionals, because they're an octagon. They're all linked. So when you see the universe with gravity waves that they've recorded recently, not too long ago, that's why you get to see it, is because they're cubes. And see, a sun is one of these, okay? They're literally as a diamond. We all know for a fact the sun is a large diamond. It's carbon. And that's what we're made out of. So we're all diamonds, all humans, basically, essentially. So we're as above, so below applies when you hear that term, because it's literally referring to space and time. Ancients told people long ago. So I've read a lot of knowledgeable books to be able to come to these conclusions. This is a lot of studying, man, for like 30 years, dude. This ain't something I just wake up one day knowing. So this is how it works. You can harness this technology, or harness the universe's technology, become a gravity wave. You become part of the energy. There's a force field that gets wrapped around you, and when you turn your ship into the same material, basically, as how the universe works, you can go anywhere you want instantaneously at the speed of how it all works, which would be pi. Nothing goes with magnetism, light, electricity. Nothing goes faster than pi. So that's your universal number. It's important for everything. Even when electricians do work, you need to know about pi. I do heating and cooling, and I do remodels, okay? And so, like, even with heating and cooling and dealing with electricity and stuff like that, we have to know a little bit about basic stuff like that. And that's literally how it works. For the simple person, the universe works like a giant alternator. It recycles itself because of how it works. Think about how an alternator works. Look at it. And it's set up the same way. It's very simple. It works just like an AC system, turning a solid state into a gas back, into a solid state. Liquid, gas, liquid heats up, and that's what it's doing. It's recycling. You can do that. You can harness that.